Hello, I'm Jason McCartney, Member of Parliament for Colne Valley, Holme Valley and Lindley, and I just thought I'd give you another coronavirus update as me and my team continue to work remotely, helping hundreds of constituents with a huge range of issues, everything from helping to get dozens of constituents back home who are stranded abroad at the moment, to helping vulnerable local people get the supplies that they need. If you need our help, please do get in touch. The contact details are just above this video. Now, Parliament returns as planned this week in a virtual format, and I'm looking forward to taking part in urgent questions and ministerial statements. And every day for the past few weeks, I've been on a daily conference call with a Cabinet Office Minister raising dozens and dozens of local concerns, including PPE for our frontline NHS staff and also for our care home teams. I've been raising the issue of testing in our community and also safety guidance for those still working, and many, many more issues. This morning, for example, I raised the issues of support for businesses, support for children's nurseries, and also for employees and the self-employed. I've also lobbied ministers as well about support for our local charities, having had a long discussion with the boss of the Forget-Me-Not Children's Hospice, and I'm pleased to say there's now a £750 million funding package in place to support our local charities. I've also regularly been in touch with our local hospital bosses and GPs, and I was so again over the weekend, talking about PPE and also support for patients and for staff, and also the local director of public health in the Kirklees area. And I've continued to liaise with local businesses, many who are coming forward wanting to help deliver PPE, testing kits and ventilators into the supply chain. Now, this really is an unprecedented crisis. None of us have been through anything like this before, but can I just say a huge thank you for following the government guidelines. Thank you for your kindness to your neighbours, and thank you for the fantastic community spirit being shown across our area. I've been looking out for my vulnerable neighbours the past few weeks, and I know many of you have too, so a big thank you. And finally, can I just say a huge thank you to all our wonderful NHS staff. Thank you to our care home teams. Thank you to all our emergency services. Thank you to our police. Thank you to our posties. Thank you to the delivery drivers, to the refuse collectors, to our farmers, to our shopkeepers. It really has been an amazing team effort. So thank you to everyone. And last of all, can I just remind you all, please do stay at home. Let's protect the NHS. And let's save lives. Thank you, and please do take care.